This rock came flying through the air and shattered my solar panel. Well, okay, it was the wind, but does that destroy it? Should I toss it? Is it even usable anymore? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Okay, we're out here in Quartzsite, Arizona, boondocking for the whole season. We're snowbirding. It's February. We went and picked up some cheap solar panels, and I'm going to show you how to do that through Santan Solar. You can check out their website at santansolar.com, I believe it is, or I'll put the link on the screen right here. And they have some really good deals on solar panels. Now, we picked this one up really cheap because it was a Christmas special, and I went and bought a whole pallet of them, and I got a few more over here. Buddies have pitched in and bought some. We split it up among us. Well, I got all these 180 watt panels for $20 a piece, so I'm not super heartbroken, but I set them up out here, and it was evening. We got it running. I went back in the next day. I had things happen. I didn't get out here to secure it better. The day after that, I was editing a video for you guys, and all of a sudden my wife hollers, "Oh crap, the wind just blew over our solar panels." So I come running out, and sure enough, all three of these were laying flat down. Well, it only shattered this one. I figured it was toast. I figured I got to go find another one, and I didn't have any more. I sold all the excess, so I was kind of panicky. Well, I talked to some friends, and they convinced me to check it out. It might still be okay, and so I did. Turns out it is still working. Now, did it lose some performance? I think it did. I haven't taken it apart and measured it separately, but I can tell it. I did a little experimenting with it, and I think it is down a little bit, but these are already degraded panels. That's why we got them for $20 a piece. The way it works with Santan is they recycle solar panels from big solar farms. When these solar farms test their panels and they're starting to degrade, they want to swap them out. They want panels that are putting out, I think it's above 85% efficiency or more. So when they start degrading a little bit, they sell them to Santan, they sell them to us. And because these have that yellowing striping through the middle, that made them even less desirable to people. Well, because of the way I'm using them, it's fine with me. They still work. They were rated at 230 watts. They now only put out around 180. But did this harm it, and how can I save it? Well, the glass shattered, and I can still touch it. Got to be a little bit careful, because over here is where it seemed to take the biggest hit. And if you touch it, you can feel a little bit of glass sticking out, so you'd want to be careful. But what the biggest problem with the shattering is simply the fact that if moisture gets in there, it can degrade the panel. Now, if this panel was totally not working, none of this would work, because in a series configuration, if one of them stops, it'll degrade the other two seriously, and we're still getting all we want out of this, around 45 amps in the middle of the day, and that's all this solar charge controller is basically rated for, so it's still working fine. Again, it may have a slight degradation, but what we do to protect it, we're going to get some kind of clear coating. Now, I've heard a couple of different scenarios of like clear epoxies, clear wood finishes, things like that. We're going to look for a window film that you apply to glass to make it stronger, so that it, say a baseball hits it, it doesn't shatter and go all everywhere. And that seems to be one of the cheapest options. So we're going to get that, cover it. I'm not really going to show you, because it's just going to look like the same thing basically. It's not going to make the cracks go away. It's just going to seal out the moisture so that we don't get in there and degrade the panels, the actual solar panels inside. So we'll put that on there and it should be fine. Now, be careful what method you use if you do this, because some of them will yellow and that's gonna seriously hurt the performance. Others will start peeling and just not stand up to the weather. So you gotta make sure you get some kind of coating that is rated for outdoor use. But I think we can save it. We're gonna take it to that Kilted guy ER, get to work on it, and put it back to use. Hey, if you like home energy efficiency stuff, we're gonna be building a house in the near future that is very energy efficient. Hopefully it uses about 10% the normal energy. We're gonna do some really creative heating and cooling methods, like heating our shop with compost. So if you wanna find out about stuff like that, be sure and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that bell. That way I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.